Stop switching between apps every time you want to watch YouTube. There's a simple Android trick that lets your video keep playing while you use any other app on your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to activate it step by step in just a few steps. First, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you see an update button, tap it and install it. If it shows open, then your app is already updated and ready to use. Now launch the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. From there, go into the settings option to access all advanced features. Inside settings, scroll down and look for the Playback section. Tap it and you will find an option called Picture-in-Picture. Turn this feature on. This is the key setting that allows YouTube videos to run in a floating window when you leave the app. After enabling it, go back to the main YouTube home screen and play any video you like. Once the video starts playing, simply press the home button or swipe up to exit YouTube and return to your phone's home screen. You will now notice that the video automatically shrinks into a small floating window on your screen. You can drag it anywhere, pause it, or continue watching while using other apps. Now open apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Chrome, or anything else, and your YouTube video will keep playing smoothly in the background. This is a powerful multitasking feature that helps you save time and stay productive while enjoying your favorite content at the same time. And that's how you unlock multitasking on YouTube like a pro. Now you don't have to pause your videos every time you switch apps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple Android tips and tricks.